Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. Today's topic is about creating different colors of artificial flowers. This is made from recycled plastic bottles of mineral water. This is the bottom of the plastic bottles. I'm going to show you how to create a simple but unique artificial flower made from the recycled plastic bottles. And our project is assorted flowers served as a table centerpiece. This is a platter. We can use this as a table centerpiece, and you have just to place on the top of the platter or the serving plate your finished product. These assorted colors of summer, spring, and winter flowers. This is for all season because this is assorted flowers and this is artificial, so we can display this in our kitchen, in our table, because this is a plastic. So all we need, you have to collect an empty bottles of mineral water. I have here a empty bottles of mineral water. This one is Fonte Tabina mineral water, a product from Italy, but we purchased this from the dealer supermarket because we are using this every day. And we need these multi colors of nail polish. I have assorted nail polish. This is from Trendy Company, made in Europe. This is from Turkey, Gabrini. This is Shane from Lidl, Germany, and this is from Beauty Line, made in Europe. And we need some glitters. You can buy this from any shop, but I purchased it from Jumbo supermarket in Cyprus. And we need this scissor. So I will show you how to create this one. This is just a very simple project. All we need is to cut out these plastic bottles. You have to take out only the bottom of the plastic. So I will show you. So I will just cut out. This is a very simple project. So now I cut out already this. Okay. Now I have here already the bottom of this plastic bottle. All you need is to shape it, remove the so I have already here, look, this is the bottom of the plastic bottle, you can see. Okay, so this one with curves, you can see this is with 5 curves. So in between of this curve, you have to cut out like a triangle shape and remove this one. Just cut like a triangle, you see. Okay, just like this in between of these curves. Okay, so take out from here this part triangle, and here triangle, and so on. And then after that, you have to shape each of these petals to form like a flower. When you finish it, you have to paint it with the use of the nail polish. And when you have finished painting it with the nail polish, you have to sprinkle it with the use of the glitters. But if you have a nail polish which has already glitters, so it's okay. So this is a very easy project. You can do this at home if you have a free time. For me, here in Switzerland, I always recycle our waste materials, especially the plastic, because the more we dispose garbage, the more money we have to spend, because everything here in the Swiss is very expensive. And if we're going to dispose our garbage, of course we have to pay. So the more garbage we will dispose, the more money we have to throw also, because we have to pay. And every 35 liters of the garbage bag, we have to put a sticker, and you have to buy the sticker, one pad of the sticker. I will show you. This is the pad, this is the sticker. It contains 12 stickers, and this is 18 francs or 18 euro. That is why I have to recycle. If ever I can do it, I will recycle, and the rest I will throw, so that we can save money. Okay, so that is why I'm sharing it to you, whatever I have created, whatever I have learned, or what is my ideas, I am sharing it to you here in YouTube, so that you can get an idea. So now I have already here the flower type, the plastic. So I'm going to color this one with, I think, green or yellow green. I will try the yellow green because it is springtime, so all the flowers are growing. Some are growing green, light green, and yellow. So I will show you this light green, because after the winter the grasses are growing, the flowers, so this is symbolized for the spring, yellow green, because it will start first like a yellow green, then after becoming more green, and the flowers are yellow, pink, purple. And these flowers that we're going to make, you can display this one for all the season, because this is a multicolor, and this is a long lasting, because this is a plastic. So I am just sharing my ideas to you, so that you will get an idea on how to recycle your waste. And also this can minimize the disposal of the garbage, and helping our Mother Earth from pollution, because too much garbage, especially the plastics, are the main problem in the whole world. It is the global problem. So let us cooperate to recycle the plastic to solve our problem. Okay, so I have here now the plastic that I have painted with mint green. Okay, so this is the one. So I'm going to sprinkle it with some green colors, okay, to look more attractive. So just sprinkle this one like this. Oh, look at here, with the green, because this is a mint green. So I will just sprinkle a little bit of it, not so much, and I will shake it, okay, so that it will look beautiful. So I have already here, look at here, so it looks beautiful now. And I have here the real green color. Yeah, look at here, this is the mint green, and I have here the yellow, and I have the red. So this is just a very easy way to create a recycled plastic flowers, and you can display it in your table as a table centerpiece. So here is it, our flowers now. So I hope you get an idea on how to recycle plastic bottles and create a beautiful plastic artificial flowers. Okay, so thank you for joining me, for watching my YouTube videos, so that you will also learn how to create different projects out from recycled plastic bottles. Okay, so this is now our project, and now if we can display this in our table. Okay, so this is very easy. So I hope you will also try to recycle your waste at home so that it will minimize your garbage. Okay, so that's all, and thank you for all your support. So keep watching so that you will be updated of all my new project. I am uploading videos every day so that you could get an idea for every project that I have created, especially recycling plastic bottles and etc. Okay, bye for now, and see you again in my next tutorial. Dankeschön, at maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa aking YouTube channel.